Hey, this is Connor at Jason Dietsch Trailer Sales. Today we have a 28-foot United ramp over trailer. Gonna be perfect for a dirt late model, asphalt late model, anything that won't fit between the fenders of a standard trailer. So let's check it out. Up front here, you got electric jack, 2 5/16 coupler, 50 amp electrical package. That's your motor base right there. 48-inch side door. This is a tandem 7K axle trailer. It's got 14 ply tires on it, midship turn signals, docking lights, and all your recessed clearance lights added to the trailer here. Over here on this other side, you got a 36 by 30 generator door. And that obviously opens up to your L-base cabinets inside the trailer there. For the rear ramp door here, we got a 16-inch flap, rear wing with loading lights, and then obviously your ramp overs. So what's really nice about these ramp overs, you got storage on each side, a recessed winch under this side of the ramp over here, tire rack, full length of the trailer. It's all finished out, aluminum ceiling, aluminum walls, 36-inch carpet. I mean, it's very nice trailer. You come up front here, you got a storage compartment up top, a loft. We call it a car platform, rated for at least 3,000 pounds. Be perfect to put extra body parts, noses, anything you name it, you can put it up there. Up front, L-base deluxe cabinet with a wardrobe. Got a recessed battery box right there. Your converter and 1 to 10 amp breaker box and everything is right there. You got a 12-volt disconnect inside. And then obviously your generator door is right there under the cabinets. Recessed spare tire well. And yeah, I appreciate you guys watching. Give us a call, check out our website. We'd love to sell your next trailer.